In this quick video, I'll show you how to install and set up Barika for Shopify in minutes. Barika helps Shopify store owners earn revenue by hosting partner offers in their flows, or reach new customers by placing offers in partner messages. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you have a Shopify store and can log into the store admin successfully. Step 1. Find Barika in your Shopify store admin. In your Shopify store admin, click on Apps and search for Barika in the search field at the top of the page. Click on Barika to install the Barika app. Step 2. Authorize the Barika for Shopify connection. After installing Barika, you have to authorize the connection between your Shopify store and Barika. Begin by logging in to an existing Barika account or create a new Barika account. This will immediately initiate the connection setup wizard. Step 3. Complete the 3-step Barika plus Shopify connection setup wizard. The wizard walks you through the setup in 3 steps. First, you will select a primary industry sector for your store. If your store sells products across multiple industry sectors, add additional secondary industry sectors. Click Continue to proceed. Next, you will review the Barika Terms of Service and authorize your Shopify store for co-marketing. Click Continue to proceed. In the final step, review and click to activate the Barika plus Shopify connection. Step 4. View your Barika for Shopify connection details in the Barika Integration Center. With your Barika for Shopify installation and connection now complete, view the connection details in the Barika Integration Center. Expand the Connected Platforms section to see your Barika for Shopify connection. Click Manage Settings on the Shopify card. Here you'll find your connection status, store details, email settings and template setup, and help and resources. That's it. You've now installed the Barika app for Shopify and successfully connected your Shopify store to Barika. To begin co-marketing with Barika, proceed to set up your Shopify email templates. Barika turns Shopify customer emails into an AI-powered co-marketing engine. Earn revenue as a host partner. Reach new customers as an offer partner. All powered by AI. All brand safe. All automated. Enjoy co-marketing with Barika for Shopify.